Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Do what? Yeah, no doubt. I'm out with Keith and Kevin, and we just come through a gate, and man, I'm telling you, the mud. This is just a little strip right here on the other side of the gate, and I mean, it was muddy. So we're gonna go check some of this out and see where this goes. Maybe worse mud on up, who knows? We'll find out. So he goes up through here, and there's a trail to the right that takes off on up. There's more mud. Uh-oh. Now I hope this one ain't locked. That would suck.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
If you come through one, then the next one, it is, ain't it?
Private property, no trespassing,
Are
no
you
hunting, it's
serious?
locked. Are you?
We come through that for that. Private property and it's locked. Well, heck, they just as well lock it back there. That was crazy.
It must be so that people, like any state people, can come on this part right here is probably what it is.
Oh
I
my
guarantee you
God.
that's what it is. And then just the people who own the private property back there lock that part.
That ain't crazy.
Wow.
That was a waste. I thought we had it made. See here, the ruts we cut through here. It is muddy mucky. Look at that. Go! I'm about to fall down here. So slick.
Stuck right in his rut. Did you see that?
Yeah. You
Ooh,
kind of,
whoa.
it's like being on rails.
Yeah.
You can't get out of it. Darn the luck.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll go up and see what we can find next.
You know it's a deep rut when it's that slick and you're stuck going in a straight line.
I hope I don't roost you. Got enough momentum here. I shouldn't do too. Whoa! Not the, that is slick. That was slick. My boots are just caked in mud, layered.
Oh.
My goodness. I got some mud on the bottom of my boots. I feel like 3 inches taller. Goodness. Well, that was a short road there, Keith. We'll have to remember not to go in that one no more. I guess we'll go on the road and see what else we can find. You're gonna have to wear Scotty's boots off.
These are mine now.
Yours,
Because he
what?
don't have the Dualsport.
Oh, so you give them to you?
I'm paying him for them.
Oh.
Not the full price. It's only like $100, but like what we were gonna do in the first place.
Oh.
But yeah, I just told him, I was like, hey, I was like, since you're not using your Dualsport anymore, can I just go ahead and continue to buy the boots off of you, and then your tail bag as well? And he's like, well, you can just have the tail bag, and then I'll go ahead and sell the boots to you for the same price I was going to before.
That's cool. Yeah, it could be slick right there. Everywhere where it could be slick with these rains we've been getting. We'll just see. It shows it goes on out through here. Oh, this is Old Bisbee Highway too. What it says.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Go ahead. We shall see.
Looks like.
What is this? An old railroad?
Yeah, it looks like it.
It does. What's these little things?
Oh, no, that's asphalt.
Oh, it used to be paved. That's old. The
Yeah,
old.
it looked like railroad ties because it was just strips of it at first.
Yeah, it's Old Bisbee Highway. So this used to be the paved road going to Bisbee. That's what it is. This was a long one. How long ago this was? It's been a long time ago because that asphalt is gone. Yeah, you can still see strips of asphalt across there.
Yeah, they're all through here.
It's like layers.
Dang, look at that big old ditch to the left. Little canyon.
Jump off in that.
That looked like our ditch at our house at the trailer house.
Yeah, once in a
Oh, the
while.
mountain up there looks cool. Look at that.
Yeah, once in a while you're riding right here on asphalt. Mostly asphalt here. Dang.
Yeah, I'm a branch smack it.
Yeah. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
I've been bushwhacked. First time I've been on Old Bisbee Highway. It shows something up here to the left. I don't know what that is on up. And then stay to the right. It just follows back around and goes back out to the highway. A little ways on out. The highway getting rough here.
Yep. Yeah, it's funny how it's called Old Bisbee Highway and we're like, railroad?
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
oh, look at that. What's that? What's up there?
but there could have been a railroad running down beside it, is what I was thinking. Oh, there's a trail. That's it. That's the one on the map.
Yeah, there's not. Shoot over there.
Oh, really? Yeah, it shows it goes on. Oh, it shows it turns right here.
What?
We're supposed to go this way somewhere.
Oh, I might need help.
I don't think you can roll her back.
Yeah, this thing's so top heavy, it's ridiculous.
You're just so lightweight.
Yeah, no.
That is steep.
If I was about 50 pounds heavier in weight, yeah.
I just keep it cut like you are. Keep it cut and lean this way. There you go. Or let her roll. Use your front brake. You're good. You're still good. You're still good. Let her. You want to turn it. Let it turn back. Don't hold your front brake too hard. Or just go straight. Whatever. Go straight. I don't care.
Well, if I turn it too much, it's sandy, so it just drags.
Oh.
It don't matter.
Yeah, I just like lean it and let it roll the front tire.
There,
Let the
now it's
front tire
rolling.
roll around. There you go. That's what I was talking about.
Well, yeah, but right there it wasn't. That was the problem.
Yeah.
Whew.
Well, it looked like it went that way, but on the map it shows it goes right down through here.
That's why I almost didn't go up that, because I knew I was going to get myself stuck.
Well, if you just went up at about 40,
Yeah, just jump down into that mud pit down there.
is that what it is?
Yeah,
Through there.
there's a little bit of brush and then it was mud. Oh, where you are. There's
Maybe,
a ditch in between me and you.
yeah, right
No,
here.
hold on. Let me turn around.
Well, I don't know what just happened to the trail, but it shows there's a trail here. I don't get into a mud pit. And I may be. Stay left.
Stay left. He said stay left.
Follow my tracks. Because it's muddy. it is muddy right there.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It shows this is a trail.
Woo!
You can
Oh,
see
my
it
nut.
there. Huh?
Oh, a little bit.
Let's see if it goes on or not. It shows it does.
Oh, I was just going to ride my bike through there and find out.
Well, there's a hell of a ditch right there.
Oh.
That's a hell of a ditch. I don't see it. I don't. It's just kind of brush. I see tire tracks. Oh, there it is. It's right there. eat it out, didn't it? The water eat that up. But the problem is, everything out here like this, the stickers were running over. I hate to get a flat. We might get a flat on that.
And this looks like one of those places where we could end up in like a third or fourth version of what we've already been of, like the Avenue Hell or whatever.
Or wrong turn. Yeah. Yeah, we probably had to turn around. I mean, nobody's been going. There is some tire tracks right there, so like a side by side or something went through there. You wouldn't want to go through that very fast and hit that and not see it.
Actually, you'd want to go through that fast so that you didn't.
Or wheelie over it, yeah, or you'd endo. Oh yeah, over there it's easy. But I'm afraid we're just going to be running over this stuff all the way with them stickers. I think we'll go back out. Go back out and go back up that's old Bisbee Highway. You notice the pavement? You notice we're riding on a lot of pavement there?
Yeah, but you know, after that slippery mud, that pavement didn't look that
I know. Now we just got to go back through this mud hole. Yay! What a mess. I really don't want to have a flat.
On. I didn't hear a word you said. I just got my mesh back on. I guess I clicked the button on accident.
I said I really don't want to have a flat.
And you might want to wait up. I'm waiting on him. He's just now getting turned around.
His Senna ain't working very good.
Oh yeah, we could also put the antennas up.
Yeah, I just did. I just thought of it.
Yeah, I always forget about them.
Okay, here goes nothing. Or something. One or the other. Through the loblolly. Ooh. It just gets deeper the more you go through it. You can actually kind of go in the grass. There's enough grass on this part.